If you're running into issues where high-efficiency image format from your iPhone is not compatible with certain websites or applications, here's a quick workaround for it. I have a photo here straight out of my iPhone, and it was captured using high-efficiency image format. To make this more compatible, I can open it up in Preview and convert it. Here you'll see the info for my photo. In its original format, it's 2.1 megabytes. I'm going to convert it to JPEG here. That's it. Now I have a more compatible copy of my photo with the expense of a slightly larger file size. If you want to avoid this and have your photos always be in a more compatible format, go to your iPhone settings and navigate to the camera settings. Under Formats, change the capture format to Most Compatible. The file size of your photos and videos will be slightly higher, but they'll be captured in a file format that's compatible with any application and website out there. Hope that was helpful. Smash that subscribe button below, go convert some photos, and we'll see you next time.